So you're finally committed to buying that Davie Lakefront home. These are the things you must consider now. Hey guys, if it's your first time to the channel, do me a favor, like and subscribe. We talk about all things Davie, both lifestyle and real estate. Now let's get into dock maintenance. The first thing to consider is building materials. Are we using traditional wood lumber or that new composite wood that does not rot from the elements of UV, sun, and wind? When we're talking about regular lumber, there's maintenance that goes with it. Sanding, preparation, waterproofing, coating. These are all things to really consider when you're doing that home inspection. Now, let's talk about vegetation. On my dock, you have tall grass that grows. I like to maintain it with my weed whacker. If you have landscapers, they'll do it for you. Another thing to consider is that the city will actually come and spray around the docks. Are these chemicals harmful? Are they not? All things to know. And something else you're probably not considering: wildlife. Iguanas, snakes, ducks, turtles, large birds. These are all the great things that you're going to encounter here in Davie, dock life. Are you ready for it? Hey, now our favorite topic, insurance. Is it worth it? Does it cost more to have a dockfront home in Davie? Are these things I need to consider? Absolutely yes. There are more liabilities and costs associated to having a dockfront home. So yes, that is something you need to consider in your purchase. Despite what you may think, it's not a free-for-all what you can put in the water on your dock. There are rules. Mostly paddle boards, things without electric, kayaks, little boats without motors are always allowed, but check with your association to make sure. The number one and most glaring is the docks in place. Time is your friend. Going through the permit process can take months, so you want enjoyment right away, go with the dock that's already installed. Probably the most important consideration is, do I buy a home that has a dock already or build my own? Now don't worry, you found a home, but it doesn't have a dock. Don't be intimidated. Let's look at the bright side. Design time. This gets to be your custom dock. Good news, I love to help. Reach out to me, Adam Bursting. Let's design that dock together.